Hey guys, I'm just doing a video of my 42-inch elastic ceiling fan. It's an antique brass finish, again, but I also put on these pretzel brackets, which are brass looking. And I know it doesn't look good with the antique brass, but I just want to see what it looks like, and I actually think it looks neat. And I like it was something that I added, even though the shades are dirty, but it's in a garage. I mean, if it was in a house, I'd be cleaning them, but they still need to be cleaned, but whatever. Anyway, we'll go ahead and demonstrate it with the light. I decided to put one bulb, I don't want to put two, but yeah. And here's a better shot of the stencil. So yeah, turn the light off, and we'll go ahead and start it on low. It's almost picking up the speed. Alright, we'll go ahead and go for, well, turn it to medium. And let's go ahead and turn it to high. And it does have a hum, but it is picking up some air. So I'll show you the airflow. Back up a ways. And then I think what we'll do is turn it off. So I want to stop the blade. Let's see, put on reverse. There we go. And then we'll go ahead and start it on low again. Normally I don't do reverse, but I just thought I'd try it. Let's go ahead and try it on medium. I think the pretzel brackets are a little heavier compared to the original brackets. And let's go with high. Turn the light on one more time. turn it off, and then power off from the fan. I really love these Alaska fans, especially with pretzel brackets and stencil blades. I also love the cane blades as well. I'm looking for one of the cane blade Alaskas. To me, it still don't look bad with brass pretzel brackets on an antique brass ceiling fan. I mean, yeah, it's just something I want to try out. It's about ready to stop. And there you have it, folks. Enjoy.